This Black woman went through all that school to become a doctor, and now she's talking about affiliate marketing? What's going on? That should be your first question. And if it's not, let's talk about it anyway. Hello. My name is Tess Washington, MD, board certified physician and surgeon. Thank you so much for stopping by MD Affiliates. To those of you who are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Your presence is greatly appreciated. And to those of you who are new to the channel, this channel discusses affiliate marketing, more so for healthcare providers, introducing them to the concept. What is affiliate marketing? How can they get started? Resources, how to establish it as a passive income where it doesn't interfere with what you're doing at the hospital, and how you can pick up an extra link, affiliate link, when you need extra money, as opposed to picking up an extra shift so you get to know your family and so you can preserve your life. If you're into that kind of content, do me a favor, push the subscribe, tell your friends, and come on back. This Black woman went through all that school to become a doctor, and now she's talking about affiliate marketing? What's going on? Now, let's discuss that very relevant question. First of all, I'd like to start off by saying there's no kind of way that I thought that I would be doing anything besides medicine when I started medicine. However, I'm going to give you a few reasons why I endorse affiliate marketing. I'm fine with affiliate marketing, and I really feel as if you should consider it as well. Number one, when I was a little girl, just like every other little girl, I thought I was going to get married, and I thought I was going to have a picket fence and a dog and everything like that. I was married, but it ended in divorce. And now, as I'm getting a little bit older and getting closer to retirement, I don't have the nest egg that I feel is required for me to live comfortably or be able to live at all. And especially after I saw what happened with my mother. My mother is diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and we were not financially prepared. When I saw the financial responsibility that is required if you happen to become ill, that was concerning to me. And I was like, what am I going to do when I am my mother? I hope to get married, but even if I do, it's still going to be a partnership. What can I do for myself? So I needed to establish some kind of an additional income to help to prepare for my retirement. I couldn't do anything besides medicine because it's so time consuming. And then I was introduced to affiliate marketing. You're literally making money with affiliate marketing while you're sleeping, while you're rounding, because once you put the initial work in, it continues to generate income for itself and by itself. So number one, to help pad my retirement. Number two, I did not know anything about establishing multiple sources of income until I became an adult, and I started hearing you need 7 sources of income or 10 sources of income. And I think now it's even like 15 sources of income. I grew up on the south side of Chicago, and we really were just more so introduced to you go to work, you pay your bills, and you live. If you get paid on Friday, all your check is gone by Monday. I mean, that's just the way that it was. And so when I started hearing that I should have multiple sources of income, and I knew I was a single woman, I started to become concerned. And that concern was amplified during the pandemic. Now, I'm just going to keep it 100 with you guys. I'm going to tell you guys the truth. During the pandemic, doctors were fired. Doctors were laid off. And we could discuss that in another video. But at that time, I saw grown men cry. I saw physicians leaving home, telling their wives they were going to work and they weren't going to work. So that was when it was first made clear to me, something could happen, sis. And you spent all these years in school, but if they decide to snatch the rug, what you gonna do? And I felt very vulnerable. Fortunately, I had already been tinkering around with the internet. I was hit by a car in like 2017, and that was when I started tinkering around with Amazon Associates. And when I saw my first check, I was like, wow, this really works. I tell someone about something and I'm honest, I tell the truth, and then I get paid by Jeff. And my friend gets something they really like. And if you talk to the average doctor, we feel like all we know is medicine. Every person needs multiple sources of income from different arenas. Medicine, technology, art, if you're in a band, if you know how to knit sweaters, if you know how to blog. Like right now, my common theme that I preach to people, as long as you know how to read, write, and count. So if you can write, you can make money with a blog. If you can read, you can make money on Audible doing voiceovers, reading books. And if you could count, you can make money off of QuickBooks, being a bookkeeper or Intuit. So the basic skills can give you a different source of income. So I just felt like having multiple sources of income. Number 3, when my mom got sick, I needed to make money from home and I had to be very close to her. And I was like, well, how can I make money from home and possibly be able to supplement and not replace a physician's income? I didn't want my mother to have to go to a nursing home. So at that point, I got deeper into affiliate marketing, and that's when I became a Sumaling. And that's when I really started to explore the content a lot deeper. I started to get high affiliate opportunities as opposed to just the lower financial return, because there's a tier in affiliate marketing as far as reimbursement. Some things pay you a little and some things pay a lot. As a matter of fact, if you go to any website right now, Home Depot, any product, just look around your house, any product, go to that product's website and scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see affiliate program. Or just take any word and type in. You could take house affiliate marketing and just type it in Google. Every single thing has an affiliate program associated with it. And I did not know this. And after I realized it, I realized this could be something that could answer a lot of concerns in my life. So that's 3, to pad my retirement, because I should have had multiple sources of income in the first place. And in case I can't work because of a sick family member, I still love being a doctor. And I will always practice medicine. But I feel like I may as well establish a passive income that I respect and that I feel like is benign. And it actually could be another form of helping people. Because if I experience something and I had a good experience, and if I tell you about it, I'm helping you. So I feel like affiliate marketing goes hand in hand with being a physician. I'm a very proud Black woman to be a Black female physician, but I'm also happy to be mature enough to accept the reality. One income stream is not safe and not a good idea for anyone. So I hope this video made sense, and I hope this answers some questions as to why I endorse this channel. We have a website, and click any links down in the bio. I just told y'all that I do affiliate marketing. Click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it. I'm quite sure you'll find something that you enjoy. And if you would like to know a little bit more about affiliate marketing, or if you're new to affiliate marketing and you would like to sign up for one of my courses, click the link in the description to do so as well. And I will see you at the next video.